Hey folks, I've been loving the Vision Pros over here, but I find it a bit tough showing others this experience, mainly because it's hard for us creators to tap into any of the cameras and really get a good image for you guys. The screen capture that the Vision Pro offers come in a 1080p file and are affected by a method called foveating, where the Vision Pro will always be in focus at the point that you are looking at. And as a user, you don't notice this happening at all because wherever you're looking is in focus. Wherever you're not looking is getting degraded slightly and the quality of the image is brought down, probably to save on processing power. But you guys as the viewers, when you watch these screen captures from us all, you may have noticed that a lot of the area looks super low res and blurry and out of focus, and it's kind of hard to watch. Well, there's a method you can get high quality 4K captures, but it's in the developers section of Apple's coding language. It's in the Reality Kit section that you have to get through Xcode to get to it. So in this video, I just want to show you the immersive landscapes in their full glory and in 4K. It looks nice and crispy now. So let's check out these immersive environments, and I'll keep the immersive sound effects on as well. So I hope that helped give you a little better view of what it's like inside these goggles. I am really blown away by this tech. And yes, there are a lot of downfalls for this first gen Vision Pro, but the experience of it cannot be beat. I am totally hooked. And it's also a great sign that we have some usable cameras in here, because to get that first person point of view with your hands in there, opening stuff up and have it in 4K is really great. So hopefully in one of Apple's updates for the Vision Pros, maybe we'll get an option for this higher quality screen capture, or maybe it'll just always be kicked up to 4K, because it's much better than that foveated view. And if you're looking for more Vision Pro videos in the future, definitely hit that subscribe button down below, because I'm going to be going all in on this thing and would love to share with all of you. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you at the next one. Take care.